Hello, kid. Sorry. Good evening, guys. How you doing out there? So today, I'm going to be doing all my Illumination DVD Blu Ray and 4K Ultra HD collection for May 2024. And tomorrow is my birthday. Yay! And now next month, it's my mom's birthday. And then, is when it's over, it's my sister's birthday. And my dad's birthday. So yeah. So, my sister's birthday is in January. And my dad's birthday is in February. My mom's birthday is in June. It's my birthday is in May. Yay! Now tomorrow is my birthday. Yes, so let's get started with these DVDs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 DVDs. Let's get started. First up we have It's Migration on Blu-ray. Okay, so here's the front cover. I have this movie on DVD and the 4K. Here's the front, spine, outer spine, and the back. Okay, the slick cover, front, spine, back. Here's the leaflet you can watch. Here's more movies. Here's the DVD. Here is the Blu-ray. I got this at Walmart. Yeah. Next up we have Minions: The Rise of the Glue. Here's the Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital collector's edition plus 2 mini movies. Here's the front, spine, outer spine, and the back. Here's the select cover. Here's the leaflet. Here's the DVD, Blu-ray. Yep. Next up we have Minions: The Rise of the Glue on Blu-ray. Here's the front, spine. Here's the collector's edition. Spine, back. Here's the leaflet. Again, here's the DVD. And here's the Blu-ray. Yay. And I went to Walmart gas station. And I bought the Jack Link's the beef jerky one. So it's good, but kinda. So next up we have the Super Mario Bros. Movie on 4K Ultra HD, the Steelbook edition. Here's the power-up collectible Steelbook. I got this at Walmart. I got this at Walmart back in maybe back in last month. Maybe. Yeah, maybe it's in last month. Here's the Steelbook. The Steelbook. When it's making a pizza. Here's a leaflet. And here's the 4K. And here's the Blu-ray. Hold on. Here's the Blu-ray. There you go. The Blu-ray. Hold on. Let me see. There you go. Here's the Blu-ray. And now let's check and see if it has artwork. See the artwork. Okay. So here's the artwork. Hold on, there you go. This is for May 2024. Yeah, so that's the steelbook. And next up we have Migration on 4K Ultra HD. 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital collector's edition. Front, spine, and the back. I got this at Target. Sorry. Here's the leaflet. Yep. Here's the Blu-ray, and here's the 4K Ultra HD for Migration on Blu-ray. on 4K. I hope maybe I can get this. Oh, I'm looking for Despicable Me 4, which is I'm looking for Despicable Me 4, which is coming up soon on July the 3rd. And then I will gonna watch it on Adidas, and I will get it on DVD or Blu-ray or 4K. Blu-ray and DVD. Let's get started. First up is the Super Mario Bros. Movie Power Up Edition. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next time we have Despicable Me presents Minion Madness. 3 mini movies. I got this at eBay. But this is a wrong address. So, my cousin's phone is gonna be the wrong address. That's at Advanced Auto Parts in Cairo, Georgia. So now it's at 631st 4th Street Southeast, and now it's Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah, and then here's the disc. By the way, sorry about that. Next up we have Minions. Stu, Kevin, and Bob includes 3 new mini movies. Go back to the beginning. Front, spine, and the back. This is a UK version. Here's the disc. Next up we have the Secret Life of Pets UK version again. Here's the front, spine, and the back. It includes 3 mini movies. Wonder What They Do All Day. Here's the disc. Here's the leaflet, and here's the sticker. Yeah, sticker. What do you say? Sticker. Hold on. There you go. Hold on. There you go. I have to pretty sure that's enough GBs, folks. Enough storage. Maybe I have to delete something. Next up we have the Grinch. Here's the front, all the spine in the back. That's a UK version. Yep. Here's the disc. By the way, here's the leaflet. Ah, come on. Here's the leaflet. So I'm gonna doing all my my Illumination DVD collection with the country music. Next up we have Minions: The Rise of the Glue Collector's Edition plus 2 mini movies for $20. Front, spine, on the spine, and the back. Here's a disc. Next up we have Illumination presents free movie collection. Not free movie collection, but free mini movie collection for the Secret Life of Pets. I'm sorry. Front, spine, and the back. This is for Minions. Here's the free mini movies episodes on Marvel Minions, Norman TV, and Weenie. Here's the disc. Here's a eBay gift card. I got this at Walgreens too. Walgreens in Cairo, Georgia for the eBay gift card. Next up we have this 4 movie collection for Despicable Me, Despicable Me 2, Despicable Me 3, and Minions. Front, spine, spine, back. Here's Despicable Me. Hold on. There you go. Here's Despicable Me, Despicable Me 3, and Minions. Next up we have Sing 2. Sing 2. I got this at Family Dollar back in 2023. Maybe last year. Yeah, last year. For 2023. Collector's Edition plus 2 mini movies. Front, spine, spine, back. Here's a disc. Next up we have The Secret Life of Pets 2. This is a UK version. The front, spine, back. Here's a disc. It gives 2 mini movies with Minions and Kitchen. 1 for New Country. It's 94.9 WTNT. It's Illumination presents The Secret Life of Pets. It gives 3 mini movies. Front, spine, back. Here's the disc. Yeah, it got damaged again. Sorry. Next up we have mini movie collection. 7 mini movie collection for the Despicable Me, Hop, and the Rolex. Front, spine, back. Here's the disc. And then next up we have Migration Collector's Edition, includes 3 all new mini movies. Front, spine, spine, back. Here's the disc. And here's a receive for Five Below, and the Luigi, and the Walmart. And that's a Five Below now. That's a Five Below. Yeah. I got this at Walmart. Maybe. Back in last year, maybe it's last month, okay? Again. Next up we have Sing Special Edition. Here's the front. It gives 3 new mini movies. Here's the spine, back. Here's the disc. Don't disc. And the last one, but not least, it's a supply. It's a mystery bag. The last one is 10 movie collection. It's the 10 movie collection for Despicable Me, Despicable Me 2, Despicable Me 3, Minions, Hop. 10 movie collection for Despicable Me, Despicable Me 2, Despicable Me 3, Minions, The Secret Life of Pets, The Secret Life of Pets 2, Sing, Hop, Dr. Seuss the Lorax, and Dr. Seuss the Grinch. Here's the front, spine, top, bottom, and the back. Wait. hold up. Oh, there it is. There it is. There you go. Here's the Little Caesars gift card. The Walmart gift card. I mean, the Walmart receipt. And then here's the leaflet. Here's Despicable Me. Yeah, Despicable Me. Yeah. Hold on. Let me put the leaflet, the receipt, and the gift card right there. The gift card. There you go. Here's Despicable Me 2, Despicable Me 3, Minions, The Secret Life of Pets, The Secret Life of Pets 2, Sing Hop, The Warlocks, and The Grinch. Okay, guys, that's it for my Illumination DVD collection for May 2024. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And it will remind me of Despicable Me 4 coming out on July the 3rd. Guys, go see it on the theaters now. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out, guys. Bye, and have a good evening.